The mirror principle. Do this, or your reality will never change. One of the most profound principles of reality, with the potent ability to fundamentally alter our lives, is the mirror principle. This isn't about a specific technique or action plan. It's about aligning with the person you aspire to be. If you desire wealth, you must first become wealthy within, or you'll continually search for answers outside yourself, never finding the true source. This principle essentially states that without internal change, there can be no external transformation. This process involves acknowledging and challenging your own reflections, the inner beliefs and perceptions that often govern our reality. It's a significant step towards personal growth and can be confronting, but it's the pathway to making everything you touch turn to gold. Adopting the mirror principle is not just about a shift in perspective, but a shift in the entire being. It requires facing your deepest fears and subconsciously influenced self-perceptions. If you're truly ready for change and willing to confront your own psyche, this video is your guide. Understanding mirror principle. Reflection of self and world. The heart of the mirror principle is understanding that the reflection in the mirror of reality doesn't merely show your image, but acts as a mirror of your internal dialogue about self-worth and your worldview. It reflects not only your appearance but the lens through which you see yourself and the world around you. Every thought, every self-assessment, every assumption broadcast to this mirror is echoed back. If you project self-doubt, that's exactly what the mirror reflects back to you. Work with the mirror, not against it. In many ways, this mirror is like your most loyal friend, always ready to agree with you and confirm your beliefs. Instead of trying to force the mirror to show what you want to see, alter your reflection. Act as you would when encouraging a friend to make a wise decision. Provide the cues, the reasons, and the inspiration to nudge in a certain direction. Similarly, align your actions and thoughts to influence the mirror's reflections indirectly. Start with shaping your identity and worldview to be aligned with what you truly desire. Envision your life 10 years from now. Ask yourself, what daily activities lead to that desired outcome? Who are you with the traits and characteristics of someone who is manifesting that dream life? Develop affirmations that encapsulate this envisioned self and repeat them consistently. Watch how this internalization starts to shift your perception and interaction with the world, bringing you closer to the reality you aim to inhabit. Remember, radical change doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistent commitment, time, practice, and patience as you align your self-perception with your ideal future. Don't let fears or current obstacles hold you back. This process has the transformative power to reinvent your life. Take some time to commit to this exercise and witness the impact on your reality unfold. You have the power to revolutionize your own existence. Today, we will not only unravel the essence of the mirror principle, but also provide you with a powerful exercise that can set the wheels of transformation in motion. The reality, you see, is not just what you experience. It's also what you believe. Your inner state shapes the world around you. Think back to the law of attraction. What you project is what you attract. Delayed reflection. The mirror's magic is not instant. It reflects with a subtle, time-lagged wisdom. Do not despair of immediate change. Instead, recognize the grand dance of the universe, where invisible strings pull our desires into full view. Be patient, be persistent. The cosmic choreography will respond to your unwavering desires with tangible outcomes. You must comprehend that in the universe, the reflection of our desires carries a distinct time lapse. Now, contrary to the instant creation we experience within, the constraints of the physical realm impose a gradually unfolding process. This is primarily due to the density and resilience of physical matter, which doesn't allow for the instantaneous realization of every mental state. In this third-dimensional space, you need to anchor your desires in your beliefs for a sustained period to witness their materialization. Focus on desired content. The mirror shows our thoughts' essence, not their fleeting nature. A life peppered with negative perceptions invites more of the same. But the invocation of change is an artful shift. Redirect your vision from the tempest to the clear skies, celebrating the light within and around you. Positivity, not complaint, will draw forth the richness of the universe. To navigate this, one must embody the persona of their aspirations. Direct your actions and mindset as if you have already achieved what you seek. Live as that future self and persist long enough for reality to catch up to your envisioned identity. It's a curious dance where expectations can trigger a roller coaster of emotions and experiences. Ups and downs are an inevitable part of this journey, mirrors to the dynamic interplay between your evolving emotional state and the external changes. Mirror cycle, reality, thought, reflection, an unending cycle observed by the mirror. To wield its power, dare to disturb this natural order. Start with your most fervent dreams, not the world's present state. Visualize, believe, and watch as the universe serves what your heart truly seeks. The eternal promise of the mirror is clear. Your visions, knit with the cosmos, will alter life's fabric. As you journey through the depths of the mirror of reality, a place where inner power resides, you are offered a choice to align your image with the echo of your identity and worldview. Recognize that what you see around you is but a reflection of your beliefs, the unconscious decisions and past moments that shaped it. To see transformation, you must create a new image in the mirror, actively shaping your destiny. Consider this: the mirror of reality is not fixed. It knows no bounds. It responds to the energy you project, reflecting the shifts in your mindset with incremental changes. This process, much like an alchemist turning lead into gold, allows for the transmutation of your life. By focusing on abundance and what you seek to achieve, you can change the very fabric of your existence. How to do in our daily life. Let's reimagine this journey as an alchemist might approach their craft, with an understanding that transformation begins from within and radiates outward, influencing every facet of existence. Here are some practical guideposts for integrating the mirror principle into the narrative of our daily lives. Step 1. Speak your reality into existence. The power of affirmations transcends mere words. It's the resonating echo of your self-proclaimed truths that shapes your world. Craft affirmations that reflect the highest version of who you are and what you stand for. As you release these desires into the cosmos, you set in motion a chain of events that the universe cannot ignore. Step 2. Mind's Eye Manifestation. Your thoughts are the architects of your destiny, and the mind is a powerful engine of creation. Within the theater of your subconscious, you have the choice to be the visionary or the spectator. Choose to fixate unwaveringly on the spectacle of your desires, diligently painting them into your worldview. Through this steadfast focus, the universe conspires to manifest the blueprints of your imagination. Step 3. Cultivate positive reflections. Amidst the turbulence of life, train your eyes not on the chaos, but on the order of the universe. Seek out the reflections of positivity, gratitude, kindness, and opportunity that the cosmic mirror provides. Every positive affirmation you recognize serves as a building block, paving the way for a brighter, more abundant reality. Step 4. The tapestry of time. The present is entwined with the choices of our past. Reflect on your journey not with regret, but with a keen eye on the sequence of your decisions. Every victory, every lesson learned, every trial overcome has led you to this defining moment. Embrace the image reflected back at you, imprint it with your will, and walk steadfastly into a future of your own design. In essence, when we have a positive self-image, that radiates outwards, and the world takes notice. So, how do we ensure that the reflection we cast is one that we are proud of? The answer is self-awareness, personal integrity, and genuine connection. Self-awareness, knowing who you are and what you stand for, is the first step. It's like polishing the glass. The clearer it is, the better you see yourself, and the better others can perceive you. Personal integrity. Actions speak louder than words, and they echo for longer. When you align your behavior with your values, the authenticity is unmistakable. Genuine connection, empathy, and a spirit of service are the adhesives that bond any interaction. Whether in love or work, they help build relationships that shine with trust and mutual respect. Why is this important? Because these relationships, rooted in the mirror principle, act as a catalyst for personal growth, thriving businesses, and communities that are built to last. Let's embrace the mirror principle and cultivate a world where our collective vision outshines the dawn of a new day.